My life be like, yeah.
Dali mo, Skyler. Tama yan, sabit mo na. Let's go. Itin kami. Okay lang. Ilan yan? 11. Ching. Ilan yan, Ching? Ilan yan? 45.
Ano sabi mo?
Tayo daw yung 1% sa night. Para tayo yung germ sa sabon. Tayo yung sabon, 99% clean.
99 ka.
99.9. Tayo yung 1%.
Tayo.
May iba
Tayo.
ka sa iba.
Tayo yung sisira dito sa Pasig Lake nila. First time wala si Kuya Pastil. Uy, gago. Ang ina nito.
Yan, saan kaya?
Kuya! Ano si Kuya? Baka nag-CR.
Yeah, alam mo ba, bad trip ako ngayon. Parang gusto kong kainin yan lahat.
Yan yun nasa ano.
Yung nagpalasing
Birthday.
sa atin nung ano.
Oo, nagpalasing na Saturday. Hindi ko kasama yung vlog nun eh. Di ako nag-vlog.
Konti lang yung kasama ko sa vlog. Ako may birthday pero ako yung wala masyado.
It's the same old situation. It's the same old ball and chain. I say no, 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 no. Come on. Now check this out. He introduced me to a lover in a cellophane dress. Then they beat me, I swear that well. Next time I saw them, they were kissing so softly to the sound of wedding bells. Well, all around the world, our girls will be girls. It's the same old situation. It's the same old ball and chain. But don't you know it's the same?
Hindi ako sasama eh.
Ako rin di ako sasama eh. Hell no.
Sa birthday na lang niya, doon tayo sumama. Di ba Antonio? Birthday mo,
Malapit naman na eh.
lapit na 26.
Hindi kami sama, uwi na kami. Sayang ang porno eh. Best pastil in ano, KJ area. In Espanya.
Fuck you. Kilabot ka rin ah.
Pero bababa nga ako sa Marikina Station.
Tangina mo.
Kasi I need to review for my final exam.
Alam mo, mangungopia lang tayo sa final eh.
Gago. I'm not gonna put it on.
Kung makita ng admin ng FU Tech, our eyes are clear. It's not against the rules. If you get caught, then you're dead. If you don't get caught, if you didn't get caught, you're not dead. Ano tayo? What the fuck, man?
Let's go. Uwi na talaga kami.
Wag, man. Magre-review ka ba sa exam, man?
Ha?
Hindi ka naman magre-review sa finals. Mangungopia ka lang din. Para parehas lang tayo mangungopia doon. Walang uuwi.
Hindi ako sasama, guys.
To Akay.
I am not going to a
When you
fight.
slam the door, I think you know that you want me away too long. You know that I'm not that strong. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just a
My guy eating good, bro. And this guy is wasted.